Hello, this web seminar takes a close look at how IT services should operate and whether there's a better way to manage your IT for the benefit of your business. In this section, the panel looks at BT's solution designed specifically for SMEs.
In fact, let's lay to rest some of the myths about IT services. We've already mentioned this, but let's go further into it. They're not just for large companies, are they, Jonathan?
Absolutely not. As we mentioned previously, technology is so critical now to the day-to-day operations of SMEs. We know that at different sizes, it may be that at the smallest end, people are starting to move from just using the internet for email and for browsing, much more into exploring opportunities for e-commerce, for e-procurement, and at the high end of SME, people are trying to look at productivity benefits that they would gain through having a more mobile workforce or a more flexible workforce, so people who can work on the road or people who can work from home. So, as we were saying, there really is an opportunity here for SMEs to raise the bar of how they use IT, but as we know, they often don't have the time to dedicate to that.
Well, obviously, to a greater or lesser extent, everybody's worried about security these days. Can the right IT services solution address these concerns?
Yeah, I think security plays in a number of levels, both making sure that the IT infrastructure they get is secure against spam and virus attacks. There's another level of security which is really all around if you're giving people access to your network, giving access to your system either on site or remotely, then you've obviously got to make sure that you're dealing with people who will respect that and maintain the necessary security on data which is yours.
This is a word that's going to have a lot of people going, oh, wait a minute, remote access?
Yeah, I think there's a number of ways of providing support. There's a reactive type of support where customers ring in with a problem, and there we can either resolve the problem over the phone, but more particularly we can get access to the network to see what's going on, and so we can understand the issues that are going on and even fix it online. There's a further service which is proactive, where actually we're monitoring that network and checking its performance and really looking for faults before they become visible to the users.
And this is going to be on a secure basis.
And of course, it's within. BT takes security very seriously, so it's a key issue for us, and it's a necessary part of our offer.
If you'd like to know more about managing your business IT more effectively, then please watch the whole web seminar or click on another one of the subject tabs below. Or if you'd like to talk to someone about your IT issues, then drop BT an email at webseminars@bt.com.